what happened here? Because I was about to say. Alright. Affinement. Defeat the peons. Collect the coins. What's a peon? Good grief. Alright, so we have a function. Peons are trying to steal your coins. Okay. Write a function to squash them before they can take your coins. So this is a pick up the coin function. So we're looking for an item instead of a enemy. So we're gonna name it coin. The hero is gonna find the nearest coin, which I guess they kind of pop up. And then if there is a coin, the hero is going to move to the coin at whatever X position it is. And it looks like instead of actually putting the coordinates, it's doing a position of X and Y. So it looks like we need to write another function, which is attack enemy function. So we're going to do a definition attack enemy, no parameters, and we're going to name it enemy, which is the hero is going to find the nearest enemy instead of an item. If there is an enemy, we are going to attack them. Boom. So while true, it says to uncomment the line. So in order to uncomment, you're going to take away the pound sign or the hashtag, however old you are. Alright, so we have two functions here. One function is to pick up the coin function. The other is an attack the enemy function. And while there is an enemy, we're going to attack the enemy. And while there is a coin, we're going to pick up the coin. And as you can see, this is less code than in previous boards. Because if you didn't write out the function, you would have to write out if this, if that, else that. That's just too much. So this simplifies it by putting it in a function that you can just call the function. There's an enemy, so we're fighting it. And then we're gonna collect the coins. Yay! Wait, is that the only peon that was coming after us? Oh, there's one. Bow. So if there's a coin, we're gonna get the coin. If there's an enemy, we're gonna get the enemy instead, so that way they don't steal our coins that are just appearing out of nowhere. They look like Dragon Balls. They should have made it to where, like, if an enemy popped up while I was way over here, that we would still attack the peon. Yeah, and that's how you do that one. Affinement.